Class. Good morning, everyone. So, last class, here is. So, last class, we had discussed about what is many commands yesterday we discussed, right? Anyone reiterate it? What are what is SCD command? What is grep command? Important commands. Okay. Inter also most of the people they are touch these commands only. I hope everyone know what is grep command and SCD command. F graph, E graph, remaining all are same only. Okay, E graph and F graph and so SCD command how to search, and also last class which one we discuss SCD AWK command, AWK, and also top command, TOP, top command, free command, how to check free command, and head command, tail command, tail, more and less, both are same only, more and less. Anyone apart from this? Which one we discussed? SCD, top. If you want to check what are the processor running, if you want to check the total memory and all, top. Only if you want to check memory related information, free command. Head means that is it will display top 10 lines only. Tail means bottom 10 lines of the file. So if you want to search, so line by line, that is page by page, more and less we can use it. So apart from this, anything? Anyone, any doubt, guys, here? Let's move on to here. Today we'll see. And also uname command. We discussed uname also, right? What is the purpose of uname command? Uname. Uname hyphen A, uname hyphen R. Already last class we discussed, right? If you want to check that which version, which kernel, which operating system you are using, which kernel version we are using. So if you want to check, so that case we are using uname command. Next,
df command.
very important. Yes, du df command, df and du disk usage and file systems, disk file systems. So this also very important. Most of the case they are asking df and du disk usage and arguments and all, that is your wish. There is many arguments we can pass it. Df hyphen h human readable format, df hyphen a we can check it, or df hyphen memory p, that is partitions, whatever you want we can check it. So df command and du command. Okay, so these are the mostly they are asking interview purpose they are asking, and also real time also mostly we are checking these commands only. Now today we'll see a few more commands. Today we will see few more commands. Now, right, what is a link files, hard link file and soft link file. So already first class also we discussed, first class or second class, what is link files, very important. So how to create link files and also how it will work, today we'll see. Where is that Linux and linked files, link files. So if you use, first let me open terminal, control plus plus, link files. So there is many types of files available, right? If you observe here, ll ls hyphen l long format. If you see here, here we can see d means these are the directories. So here that is hyphen means these are the regular files, that are the files. L means link files. L means link files. So interview also most of the people they ask this question, what is a link files, how to create a link, that is linked file, that is a symbolic link, a hard link. There is two ways we can call. So hard link and a soft link, or we can simply we are calling so soft link, link files, soft link. So if you go here, there is two types of creation of the link files. So there is two ways, two types of files, hard link files and soft link files. Hard link files and soft link files. So just orally just try to understand what is hard link files, what is soft link files. It is just another name of the same file. Hard link is nothing but right, I have one file. So first come to Windows terminals, we can easily understand. So right? So anyone, right? How to create a shortcut file? For example, if we go here, if we go here, for example, I'm go somewhere. This is my path. The original files available here. Just assume this is my original files. These are my original files. Now I want to open this file, desktop. So every time coming to here, open this, go to this path and open. If you want to open, right? This is time waste, right? This is the path. See here, C colon users HP and Helm. So this is my path. It is under there is a deep path. Now what I am going to do? I am going to create one link shortcut file. I hope everyone know what is this shortcut. So if you use shortcut, see here, desktop, create shortcut desktop. So instead of going this path, opening this file, now I am creating one shortcut to my desktop. See here, I create a shortcut file. So now no need to go that path every time. So directly I can open here. See here, directly I can open here. So anytime, whenever if you need, so directly we can open here. I hope you got it right. So, directly we can open from here only. This is the shortcut. In Linux terminology, we are calling link files. In Linux terminology, we are calling link files. See here, soft link. In Linux terminology, we are calling as soft link. We are calling soft link. We are calling soft link. Now there is some rules how it will work. Suppose if I delete original file, we cannot work with this shortcut file. Now try to understand. This is the shortcut, right? Actually, the original path is this one. See, if I place the cursor here over the mouse, if you see on top of the file, if you over the mouse, see, now see, we can see C colon users HP Helm. This is the original path. But if you want to open this file, every time I have to go to that path, so we need to open the file. Instead of go there directly, see here, if I open here, it will open. It will open directly, the file will open. Now assume here, if I delete the original file, if I delete the original file, can I work this one? Now see here, I'm go to here, C colon here. Now Helm. Now I'm going to delete original file. This is the original file. I'm deleting this original file. Now it won't work. Shortcut it won't work. If I try to open this also, it won't work. Now see here, I am try to open. See here, it won't open. Actually we'll get error message also, but here it will open. So now it will get like this. See here, problem with shortcut. The item mark that this shortcut refers to has been deleted, so we cannot work with this file. Original file is available, we can work with shortcut. If original file is deleted, it won't work a shortcut. In Linux terminology, we are calling soft link. We are calling soft link. Hard link means this is same. Hard link means this is same. Just assume, so this is the file. This is the file. I am copy somewhere. I am paste it here. Just assume, so this is the original file. Now how it will work means, here I am not creating any shortcut. So even if you delete this original file, we can happily work with this file. Even if you delete this file, we can happily work with this file, original file also. There is no problem. So if you update anything here, automatically it will update here also. If you update here, automatically it will update here also. That is the hard link file. Now if you see practically, we can easily understand. I hope you got it right. So soft link means, if you delete original file, we cannot work with shortcut. The same terminology, if we come to Linux mission Ubuntu, that is called hard link and soft link. Hard link and soft link. Now first come to hard link file. It is just another name of the same extra file. That is like copy and paste. So this is the another name of the same file. Whatever data available original file, same data we can see here also. And we can create hard link files by using ln command. If you want to create any hard link file, if you want to create any hard link file, this is the command ln original file, and this is the hard link file. Here that is the original file, and file2.txt is the hard link file. And how it will work, what is the rules? See here, both original file and hard link file have same inode number, same size, same timestamp. Original file and hard link file. Now I created one hard link, right? So that file inode value, timestamp and size both are same only. If you were delete the original file, then there is no effect in the hard link file. Then there is no effect in the hard link file. That is the hard link. Now first we'll see practically. So now I got it right. Theoretically, you understand or not? What is hard link file? Hard link file is nothing but this is nothing but another name like one backup. But both are same content, both are same size, same timestamp. And if you update anything, automatically it update in the original file also, vice versa. I hope you got it right. Anyone, any doubt, guys? Hard link. Now I'm going to create a hard link file. How it will work? Now ls command. Now create one file, anything. Now let's come to here. Sub subject 1.txt. See here, sub 1.txt file. Cat space. Now I'm going to create a hard link file, guys. Now try to understand how it will. Now cat space. This is the content. Now I have this is the content. Now this is the content. Now I am going to create a hard link file. If you want to create a hard link file, so what is the syntax? ln. What is the syntax? ln space original file name. What is the original file name? So before that, let me try. So I want to see the inode values. Which is the command, guys? Anyone? I want to see inode values. I want to see these files inode values. Inode number. What is the command? If you want to see inode number, I want to see all files. ls space. What is the argument I have to pass? Inode value.
hyphen I, sir.
Hyphen I. Got it? Inode value. Now see here. Now I'm going to so check this file. Any file that is your wish. Now subject one, right? Subject one.txt. What is the inode value here? 25188. What is the inode value? 25188. Now I am going to create a hard link file. What is the syntax? ln space original file sub1.txt and now I am giving a h sub1.txt. H means here for understanding purpose I am giving hard link file. Now I created a hard link file. Now try to understand. Now check the inode value. So as for this conversation, so both files are inode values same and same size and same timestamp. Check that point. Now this is I created. Now check it ls hyphen I inode value. Now so now come to here subject one. I need 25188. Now just now I created one hard link file. Where is that file? H subject 1.txt. Where is that? Hmm, hmm.
Column 3, sir.
Okay, column 3. So this is now see here. Check the inode value. Both are same or not? Inode value 25188. 25188. Next second point. What they are explaining here? Second point. Same size and same timestamp also. Now I want to see time. What is the command? If you want to see the time and size everything, ls hyphen la long list format. Now see here, this is the subject one, and so now hd h sub one. Now see here, both are same or not? Timestamp 749, and this is also 749, and size also we can check it 152, and so here also 152. Now all are matched or not? Same inode value, same time stamp and same size. Anyone any doubt, guys? Here I created a hard link file. Now if I update anything hard link file, how it will work? Now try to understand. Now this is the cat space sub1.txt 1.txt. Now got it? Now cat space h sub1.txt. As of now both files content is same only. Now I am going to update this file. Any file, that is your wish. Which file you want to update, guys? Tell me. Original file or hard link file? Anyone? I need to update one file. A file update jada. Anyone? See here vi I'm going to one file. For example, I'm going to update a H file, hsub1.txt. Now insert, insert. Now I'm coming to here. I am adding some names. Just I've given Linux. Escape. For understand, for just I save that content. Okay. Escape colon X. Now which file I updated? Hard link file or original file? I updated one file, right? నేను ఏ ఫైల్ అప్డేట్ చేశాను? ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్ ఆర్ హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైల్?
hard link.
Hard link file. Now check it first. Before go to that, cat space hsub1.txt. Concept is very simple only. First try to understand. So updated, right? Everything okay. Now check this original file, cat space sub1.txt. Now got it? Did I update anything here or automatically it is updated? Anyone guess it? Actually I updated hard link file. Whichever you updated a hard link file, automatically that is reflected in original file also. That is the point here. అర్థమైందా? What Hemant? Anil? Clear? నేను అప్డేట్ చేసింది హార్డ్
Yes,
లింక్
sir.
ఫైల్. సో ఆటోమేటిక్లీ దట్ డేటా ఈజ్ అప్డేటెడ్ హియర్. Now I'm going to update this file, original file. See here vi subject1.txt. Now I'm going to, okay, insert. Now updated, just I given something, escape colon save. Now anyone guess it? So this content updated automatically in a hard link file or not? Cat space sub1.txt. Anyway, this is updated. Okay, I updated this file. Now anyone guess it? This data is updated in a hard link file or not? Hard link file లో అప్డేట్ అవుతుందా అవదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? క్యాట్ స్పేస్ హలో. సో నేను ఏం ఫైల్, ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్ని అప్డేట్ చేశాను. ఈజ్ ఇట్ అప్డేటెడ్ ఇన్ హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైల్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎనీవన్ గెస్ ఇట్? నౌ సీ హియర్ వాట్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్.
Updated.
Updated. Now what you understand? So this is the original file. Now try to understand. This is the original file. This is the hard link file. I created one file. This is the original file, and I created one more file, hard link file. So now what is the original file name here? Sub s here sub1.txt. This is the original file, and this is the hard link file, sub1.txt. Now if you want to create a hard link file, what is the syntax? Ln space next hard link file. This is the syntax. Now file is created. Now now file is created. Now both files, size timestamp size, what are the common features? So both files common features ఏం చెప్పండి ఒకసారి? టైం స్టాంప్, నెక్స్ట్ సైజ్, నెక్స్ట్ సైజ్, ఐనోడ్ వాల్యూ, ఐనోడ్ నెంబర్, ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ ఓన్లీ, రైట్? నవ్ గాట్ ఇట్. Timestamp, both files timestamp, both file size, both file inode value same only. Now if you update anything here, if you update anything here, if you update anything, if you update If you update anything here, automatically it is updated original hard link file also. Whatever you updated here, automatically it is updated here. If you update anything here, automatically it is updated here, vice versa. Now anyone, any doubt guys here? That's it, very simple only. That is two-way communication. That is two-way communication. If you update anything here, automatically it is updated here. So if you update anything here, automatically it is updated here. That's it. Clear? Still anyone, any doubt here? Now these 2 points done. Now, so now if you delete the original file, then there is no effect on the hard link file. Now I am going to delete the original file. Now I am going to delete the original file. Here, which is the original file? Which is the hard link file? Which is the original file? Here, in this case. ఇక్కడ నాకు ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్ ఏది? subject1.txt.
Subject 1.
Now I am going to delete that file. What is the command if you want to remove the any file? I want to remove the file. What is the command? Already you know, right? Simple command. I want to
RM, sir.
rm space hmm, rm space file name. What is the file name? sub1.txt. Now file is deleted. Now see here, subject 1 is available or not? No. Now I am trying to edit the hard link file, whether it is working or not. See vi space. See, if you want to, we can see anything, everything it is working fine, no problem. See here, if you delete original file, you can happily work with a hard link file. That's it, nothing. Now if you want to update, it's sub1.txt. Now if you want to update also, we can update, no problem. Whatever you want, we can do it. So updated hard link file, escape colon x, save and exit. Now check it, cat space h sub1.txt. That's it. Now see here, whatever you updated. Now anyone, any doubt here, hard link file? Clear guys? Anyone, any doubt here, hard link, how it will work? So both, vice versa. If you update anything, automatically it updated in hard link. If you update anything, automatically updated in original file. If you delete original file, you can happily work with the hard link file. Now I hope to see, if you delete original file, then there is no effect in the hard link file. That's it. Clear? If it is clear, let's move on to soft link file. Clear or not?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now this is mostly what is soft link file. Try to understand. So there is a bit difference is there compared to hard link. Try to understand. A soft link is pointing to another file. It is just like a Windows shortcut. Already I explained, right? మన విండోస్లో షార్ట్ కట్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము, సేమ్ లైక్ we need to create a soft link in Linux. It is also known as symbolic link. Symbolic link and soft link and both are same. Symbolic link or soft link, both are same. Don't confuse here. Someone is calling soft link and someone is calling symbolic link. Both are same only. And we can create soft link file by using the command -s. So if you want to create a hard link file, here I am not directly ln space, ln space, ln space, I am giving a original file and a hard link. If you want to create a soft link file, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. We need to add extra s arguments, ln -s, and remaining story same only. Original file space and hard link, that is soft link file. Soft link file. That's it. Extra we need to add -s. -s represents this is the soft link. So this is the syntax like this. Here I have file 1 is original file and file 2 dot is a soft link file. Now what is the importance of soft link rules? See here, original file and soft link file have different inode numbers and different file size and different timestamp compared to hard link. But hard link లో అన్ని ఎలా ఉంటాయి, ఈక్వల్, సేమ్ inode, same timestamp, same size. But if you come to soft link, different inode number, different file size, and also different timestamp. Usually soft link files have similar file size than original file size. So if you delete the original file, then soft link file it becomes useless, no use. If you come to hard link, if you delete original file, you can happily there is no effect in the hard link file. But if you come to soft link, if you delete the original file, so there is no use of soft link file. There is no use of soft link file. Got it? These are the major points. Clear? Let's create one practically. We can easily understand. Now observe here. So ls. Now I am going to create one file. So vi, vi, or else we can take any file that is your wish. Cat space. What is this? Linux text Jenkins dot devaps.txt. So I have some data. I have some data. Okay. Now I am going to create a soft link. What is the command, guys? ln space hyphen s. And what is the original file? ln space hyphen s. What is the original file name? devapps.txt soft link file. Yes, devapps.txt. I am giving a s. S is nothing but here for our understanding purpose I given soft link file. This is the original file. This is the original file, and this is the soft link file. This is the original file. This is the soft link file. That's it. Or symbolic. Okay. Now created. Now understand here. See here. Created or not? Where is that?
Sir, the TXT files.
Yes, this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now actually it is showing arrow mark also, but this is we are using desktop like portable, right? Windows Ubuntu, right? So but if you see Linux mission, it is showing one arrow mark also, which is the original file, which is the soft link also, it will show. Okay. Now check both content. Cat space inode value ls hyphen I. ls hyphen I. uh, what you understand, inode value is different, timestamp also variation, and size also different size. 12. Mm. This is now see here. Now devaps.txt. See 25119. This is the original file. Where is my soft link file? Now see here.
1490.
1490. One point correct, right? Now also see size and timestamp also. ls hyphen la. Now see, now we can see here. This is the soft link. See, this is the soft link file, and this is the original file. From this file, you created this file. That is the meaning. Arrow mark it is showing like this, right? From this, we are not creating this one. This is reverse. We need to understand. From devaps.txt, this is the original file. You created as devaps.txt. Now see here, L. L represents symbolic link or soft link. Symbolic link or soft link. Now check timestamp. 731 original file. 743 timestamp also different. Okay. Now check the size. Now size here 10 is there. Here see 504. Now got it. See here all are matched or not. See 504. Here 10 also is there. Timestamp also changed 731. If you see here 743, and so inode value also different. Now one more point. Last point. If we delete original, now I am going to update the any one file. Now tell me which file I am going to update. A file modify చేద్దాం. Any one file ls. Now whether it is reflecting or not, I am going to update soft link vi s devaps.txt. Before that, cat space devaps.txt. Now see here, this is the content. Now I am going to update the soft link file vi yes devapps.txt. Now insert, just I am going to update. I am going to update some content. Insert, right? Insert where it is actual single line, that is going to, it is going to, okay. Now soft link file, okay. Escape colon x, save and exit. Cat space s dev apps.txt. Now see here, I updated soft link. Now check original file whether it is updated or not. Anyone guess it? Cat space I updated soft link file. Now I am checking so original file dev apps, it is updated or not? Anyone guess it? ఇప్పటివరకు మీకు
No, sir.
అప్డేట్ అవుతుందా అవదా?
అవ్వచ్చు సార్.
అవదా? వాట్ అబౌట్ అదర్స్?
ఇట్ విల్ అవుతుంది.
అవుతుంది సార్.
సాఫ్ట్ లింక్ అంటే చూసాం కదా విండోస్లో, మీరు ఏం అప్డేట్ చేసినా ఆటోమేటిక్గా టూ వే అనమాట. ఇఫ్ యూ అప్డేట్ హియర్ ఆటోమేటిక్ ఇట్ అప్డేటెడ్ ఇన్ ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్. సో టూ
ఓకే.
వే కమ్యూనికేషన్. అలా సేమ్ ఓన్లీ, దర్ ఇస్ నో డిఫరెన్స్. నవ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్. సీ హియర్ vi devapps.txt. Now insert. Now I'm going to update something. Updated original file. See here, original file. Escape colon x. Now is it updated in soft link file or not?
Yes, it
Yes,
will be updated.
updated. That's it. That is the concept. Two-way communication. Now one more point, main point. In hard link, if you delete original file, you can work with hard link file or not?
We can work.
You can work, but
Yes,
here we cannot work. That is the
Yeah.
concept. So this is the original file. This is the soft link. If we delete original file, if we delete original file, sorry, if we delete original file, it won't work with the soft link file. This is the DevApps. Many people asked this question. Now devapps.txt. This is the original file, and so here yes devapps.txt. This is the soft link file. Now remaining story same only. Remind, this is the syntax. Now if you delete the original file, now try to understand. If we delete the original file, we cannot work with soft link. If you delete the original file, this is the point here. Okay. I don't know why every time it is. If you delete the original file, we can't access soft link file. Got it? This is the concept here. But in this case, here, if you delete this file, R link lo మనం delete చేసిన వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. If you delete this file, we cannot work with this soft link file. We cannot work with this soft link file. Now I am going to delete that file. That's it. Now see here, two-way communication, everything okay. Now I am going to delete the, now cat space yes devapps dev apps.txt. Now I can see data, right? Now I am going to delete the original file. Tell me what is the original file? rm space devapps.txt. I deleted original file. Now cat space yes dev apps.txt. Now see here, no such file or directory. No such file or directory. But if you see here ls, now see here it is showing red also. It is showing color also changed. So this is the major point. If we delete original file, we cannot work with the soft link file. But in hard link, if you delete original file, you can happily work with the hard link file. There is no change, no effect. This is very important. I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now if you want to, we can create so directory also. Remaining story same only. Directory also we can create link files and all. Now check it. In interview purpose, they are asking only these points. Any 2 points, just remember what is hard link, what is soft link. Here inode value, timestamp, size all are same. Here inode value, timestamp, size everything different. And so here if you delete original file, we can happily work with a hard link. And if you delete the original file, we cannot work with soft link file, we cannot work with sampling file. And remaining story same only, but syntax is, if you want to create a symbolic link, we need to add -s. For a hard link, no need to add anything, simply ln link files, that's it. Now go to here, that's and all. Now word count, this and all already, how to check word count and all. Now go to here, starting of the file. These are the basic commands, we'll see. Now we'll see important file permissions. File permissions, these are the very important if you want to work with so Linux file permissions. So generally file permissions means so these are the permissions. There is a users, groups, there is others and all is there. Now we'll see, this is very important if you want to work with any files, right? So whether you want to read access in real time, this is very important. Without permission, they won't give any access. So based on your role, they are providing some access, whether you want to read access, whether you want to write access, whether you want to full access. So now as of now, you know how to create files and all. Now see here, we created many files, here we created many files. If you see here, these are the files I created, right? Now see here, so now there is total here, there is total 10 characters. So if you go here, total how many characters means 10 characters. If we see here, total we can see 10 characters. So first one already you know whether that is directory or not. So first one you know whether that is directory or not. So first one here it will show like so total, you know, right? Now we'll see. Mm, 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 mm. Now, see here, it will come. So like here, first one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally, it will come here one group. Again, it will group. It will say like this. Now this is the first is nothing but this is whether it is directory or file. You know, right? What is the first character? What is the first character means whether it is D or file. Mm, 24. So this is the first character represents yeah, whether it is file or directory. Mm, whether it is file or directory. So remaining, so this is the groups. Actually, they are dividing user, owner, groups, and others. Three categories. So three categories. Now, if you observe here, so this first three represents this is the user, and the next three represents this group, and the next three represents this is the others. And the first character, whether that is file, whether it is a directory, whether it is a symbolic link, there is some special purpose also, you know, right? So these are the total 9. Here if you observe here, we can see total 9. One is a user, group, and others. First one is users, and the second one is group, and so third one is others, group, and the third one is others. Okay, now if we here first we can see that is empty means that is regular file. If we see D means directory file. If we see L means linked files. I hope you got it right. First character we can see whether we can see D means directory. I hope everyone know, no doubt, right? Here directory. And so here empty means that is hyphen. What is this? Empty means hyphen, dash means that is regular file, regular files only. Now if you see L means, what is this?
Linked
Linked file.
files.
Linked file.
Linked. This is the basic. Try to understand. Everyone is asking. So how to check whether that is file or whether it is a directory or whether it is linked file based on first character only. If we create any file, if we create any file, by default it is a system will generate these are the permissions. These are the permissions. For example, see here. I am going to create one file, touch space. I am going to create one file. For example, setha.txt file. Now see here ls. Now ll. If you see here sita, right, it will giving. So how I know whether it is file or directory based on first character. First empty, that is dash, right? So what is this? This is a file or this is the directory or this is the link file? This is the regular file.
This is the
Regular
regular.
file. Now, if we see here, by default, if we create any file, the Linux, the Ubuntu system, it is assigning some permissions. So total there is three groups: user, user, group, and others. If we create any file, by default it is giving read permission for users. Users it is providing read permission. Now see here, read write. So for users it is providing read write and dash means no permission. For group it is giving only read permission. Remaining empty means no permissions. For others, it is giving only read permission. Remaining write permission, no write, no execution permission. If we create any file, by default it is providing. For users it is giving read write. For groups it is providing read permission. For others it is providing read permissions. Suppose if I create any directory, what is the default permission? Now see here how to create directory, guys. mkdir. For example, I am giving Ramya. See here Ramya. Now ll. Now see here I created one directory. Where is that name? Now if you see here, if you create any directory, by default, what is the default permissions? I created directory. I created directory for users. It is providing. So D, that is directory, right? This is the directory. For directory purpose, users, it is giving read permission, write permission, and also which permission? Now try it. Read, write, X means execution permission. Full permission. Where is this? This is the read, write, X. For you group came ఇచ్చింది చూడండి ఇక్కడ group only group read group read and execution
Read and
permission.
exit.
There is no write permission. Read permission, no write execution permission. For others, what is the
Read
permission?
and exit.
Only read, next
Exit.
execute permission. Now try to understand. Interview also one or two people they asked. So if we create any file, what is the default permission? Now tell me, what is the default permission for users? If we create
Read.
read, write. If we create any directory, what is the default permission for user? Read,
Read
write,
and
execution
write.
permission.
Exit.
Now we try to understand, if we create a directory, by default for everyone it is giving execution permission. Blindly remember, remaining same only. See here, if we create any file, it is providing only users read write and groups read permission, others read permission. Suppose if we create a directory, by default for everyone, users, group, others, extra it is adding execution permission. Got it? Now anyone any doubt here? So there is three categories. First category users, second category group, and third category others. So if we create any file, by default users it is providing read write and group only read permission. Others it is providing only read permission. Suppose if we create any directory, by default for all it is providing execution permission extra. This is the default only. Okay, clear? Now come to here. Now see here. Now how we represents which is group, which is see here group represents G, user represents U, and others represents O. All represents A. Now there is some shortcut also is there. So users and all we are representing. So we are providing like users and all. We are providing you only. We are providing you. You means user, and same way G means group, and O means others. Here A means all. Here A means all. Now just this is the naming convention. I will show you how to provide permission to that users and all. Now U means user, G means group, O means other. O means other. Now try to understand. Now if you come to here, now there is type permission types. So this is the what is this? This is the user category. Now if you go here, permission types. So what are the permissions guys here? So there is three permissions. Read permission. Read means R. Read means R. Write means W. And so read write. Execute. Execute. X means execute permission. 3 right. One is execute permission. That is X. Execute permission means that is X. And so last one. So hyphen means no permission. That is dash means no permission. No permission. These are the permissions. If it is, if you understand this one, nothing. Very simple only. Now there is three categories: user, group, other. You represents you, user represents you, and group represents G, others represents O. A means all. And so next these are the permission types. There is three types of permissions: read permission, write permission, execute permission. So here empty means no permission. That is dash. That is hyphen, right? So that is dash means no permission. Now, every file we can see this information. For every file we can see this information. Now, I hope everyone got it right. Now, every file we can see this information. So whatever we see here, if we create any file or if we create any directory, by default we can see these are the permissions: read permission, write permission. This is the user, this is the group, this is the user. See here, what is the this file is executed under the this user, this file is executed under the root user. Now see here, almost we are executing. This is the username, this is the group name, this is the username, this is the group name. Now I have one doubt: how to see all users, where I can find? Anyone? Already we discussed previous classes. I want to see my users list. What is the file name guys? Which file we can see all users list and all?
Password.
Cat space etc slash pass w d. What is the file name? These are the users. See here my username. See here my username, and this is the id, group id, user id, group id, and this is the default home directory. This is the that is the bin bash, that is the execute permission where it is executing and all. See here there is a root user also available. These are the default users. These are the default users. If we create any user, suppose if we create any user, so if you want to check whether that user is created or not, whether that user is available or not, what is the file name? This is the file name. What is the file name? This is the file name. By default, what is the file name? etc. So etc slash, you know right, what is the etc? Configuration files, right? First class will discuss, right? Correct? Yes or no? So if you want to check any users, if you want to find users, what are the users and all, so this is the command cat space, this is the file name. And if you want to find whether our user is available or not, cat space. So cat space slash slash etc slash pass. This is the default file name. This is the default file name. This is the default file name. So this is the default file name. So anyone any doubt guys? Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next class we'll see that continuation and all. And so there is many things we need to add. Next class we'll see how to add permissions, how to remove permissions. and how to execute how to give, how to provide execution permission and all. I hope you got some idea, right?